Okay, check it out. Looks like I got my tips frosted. Huh. Oh, my gloves froze up. I always got to bring an extra pair of liners. Tell you what, I've worked up a bit of an appetite and I'm excited for dinner. I've got shish kebabs and couscous. This bottle's so froze I can't open it. I do this. Put the water bottles over here to keep them from freezing again. Having both of these stoves going in here is heating things up a little bit. All right, we got chunks of seasoned chicken wrapped in bacon. Lay this on our little grill here. Bacon wrapped chicken shish kebabs and couscous. Little chunks of chicken wrapped in bacon. Oh, that is hard to beat.